Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we just got in a brand new Sony XBR75X900F, and we're gonna do an unboxing for you to show you what comes inside the box. So step one is going to be cutting through this tape here on the top. And with this TV, because of the size, you wanna have two people around to do any lifting, just because it's heavy and the box is gigantic. So make sure you have a second person. I have my friend Tom here who's going to be helping us out in a moment. So just one thing to remember. So step one, cut through the tape on the top. Let's see if I've actually done that. And we have. And so the first thing you're going to notice when you open up the top is the setup guide. So we've got that here, which we will be looking at to set up the TV the rest of the way, but we're going to put that behind us here for now. And next we've got a pedestal foot, it looks like, and another one, and the remote, standard Sony remote that we've seen on plenty of their other TVs. And I think that's everything for the top. So now from here, you're gonna wanna have that second person come in, so Tom, and you're just gonna lift up and set the box off to the side. Thank you, Tom. And some of the styrofoam might be left over, so just remove that, set it off to the side. So now we'll consult our setup guide here and see what they say is the next step. All right, so we've got the TV set up on the pedestal. You're definitely gonna want two people to make that happen correctly and be safe, so have two people there when you're getting this all set up. We did find a small packet of accessories on the back of the TV before we took it out of the box. This little package here has got an IR blaster, it's got some instructions, and then it had some batteries for the remote. And we also noticed on the remote, you do have a Google Assistant button. I didn't see that when I first opened it up. So this one does have a Google Assistant button. The search quality is really good. It searches just like Google does, so it's really intuitive, works really well. And the picture quality on this full array backlight LED is phenomenal. We haven't had to touch any of the settings so far, and it really looks great. So that's the Sony XBR75X900F. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we're gonna do a full product overview on this one as well. We'll have that up in a few days. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already so you get the update when we post that. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.